Hi guys, welcome to a video, and this is going to be a quick one. Today I'm going to show you how to basically just replace your RAM. So obviously you need to go flip your laptop on the bottom and then locate and find where your RAM is. So obviously I know it's under this. Screw the little strip here. No, it's actually the screwdriver. Let me grab a different one. The flathead. This one may actually do the trick. Yes, it will. So you just want to unscrew your screw here. Grab a different one here. Here's another one I use for everything. So, well, screwdriver that actually fits the screws better. So just unscrew everything here. Unscrew here, unscrew here, and just flip that down. So obviously here we are, we're in the laptop. Now obviously I'm doing this quick in under 4 minutes, so you can slow the video down and see what I'm doing. So you need to do is just pull these little tabs here, should flip up, pull your RAM stick out. You've got two, and you're replacing both sticks, so you just put that back in. So obviously I'm going to now put this back in reverse order. So we're going to do module B, then module A. So now the RAM sticks are in. I just put that on now, right here, flip that there, and then I just screw everything back the way I did it. So thanks for watching RAM, how to access and replace RAM or upgrade RAM. If you're just watching this just to see what RAM looks like, or you just need to do just to figure out what the inside of a laptop that you have similar to me looks like, then there you go. This is the video on how to do it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. I don't care if you don't like it, just dislike it, and I will see you guys next time.